This is a 4-pack of reusable sandwich boxes I bought for my kids and we are loving them. Let me show you a closer look. It's a tight squeeze on a standard size sandwich, so keep it in mind, but height-wise it's perfect. Size-wise it's a tight squeeze, but it also keeps it in shape. It keeps everything together, not falling apart, so that's actually really great. I just kind of push it down gently in there, nice and secure. Now we got peanut butter and jelly, and then the lid's just push on. There's no like snap or safety latch or anything. It's just like this. There's the bottom, there's space for adding a label, and there's everything where it says microwave safe, food and drink safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe. Amazing. I love these. They keep the sandwich perfectly in shape. You can add an ice pack above, below, whatever, and they fit perfectly in standard lunch boxes too. Boom. Then it comes off pretty easily, so it's easy for kids to do. If you had this like loose in a backpack, I wouldn't trust it. I'd put a rubber band around it. Going in a lunchbox like this and you've got other stuff, it's not gonna fall open. And it's the perfect size. Like I said, you can add an ice pack there if you want. I love these. I know you will too.